What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Horrible Property Finding Flips. I don't know what we're doing here, man. I'm still looking for a property, and honestly, so far, this is probably the best one I come across yet. And I'm telling you, I thought that school bus was an omen. But, I watch for snakes, man. Truthfully, I think this is the real omen. Right here. Boys and girls, we have a, I don't know, a four-wheel drive something. What? Smitty built running boards, spiders. What do you think this was? Well, it was a Chrysler.
Something moving right there.
Definitely a Chrysler. Something moving?
There's something moving right over here. There's something like right over there.
Look at that. Gotta watch for ticks too, man. Watch your legs. I got stickers. There's definitely stickers in there. I got stickers stuck on me. I got stickers all over me. Great. Okay, so here we are at yet another property. This one, we'll have to take a look at the inside, but I mean, I'm actually really liking this one. I'll be honest with you though, the area doesn't look to be all that great. I was hoping this was a quiet place off on its own and away from people, but it's actually pretty close to several people. And yeah, it definitely looks a little bit questionable over here. But anyway, this is it. This is $59,900, so you're talking $60,000. It's on 2.5 acres of land. Obviously, we haven't gone down there and explored it yet. I put the truck in four-wheel drive just to get through here. I'm not sure what all this is either. Somebody had a thing for pallets. Looks like there's a tree house or something. Used to be over there. I'm betting that central heat and air conditioning is out of the question on this one. This place is a little rough. I don't know about the house. Haven't been into the house yet, I should say.
What's that?
That is a cable spool. It used to be full of cable. Okay, let's we got wasps and stuff. You gotta watch for those suckers. Let's have a look. It smells old. It smells old. It does smell old, but it doesn't look horrible.
Actually, shattered glass.
What is this? Breakfast donut. This is rough. Is that sink?
Busted door.
Oh, somebody shattered the door.
I don't want to go any further. I don't want to get killed.
It looks like somebody was working on trying to make it into a decent place. And of course, somebody came over here and
Shattered.
yeah, completely shattered it. That sucks. Yeah, it would have been beautiful doors, so this is interesting, the choice of using this old tin. She's a rough house, man. It definitely looked a lot better on the pictures than it did in person. So there you got your wiring for an oven. No dishwasher, no place for a dishwasher. That's fake brick, it ain't real. And let's see what we got over here. I know the camera's getting dark on you guys. I'm gonna see if I can shine some light for you. There we go. So the kitchen sink is disconnected. At least that part of the plumbing, the sewer, the drain pipe, I should say, is disconnected. Got some spiders down in there. Huh. Think the water works? Oh, the faucets are backwards. Okay. Yeah, no water. This is a very small house. Or is it? What? This place is confusing. So here's the stairs, and it looks like they've got tin underneath them for something. There's some tile. The bathroom.
Pretty actually good size.
Oh, the bathroom's got a sliding barn door.
Very interesting.
And
You can see somebody was putting in light fixtures or something and they stopped. I don't know what the heck goes here. A washing machine, I guess. I think that's, yeah, you had your dryer here, your washing machine here. You got your breaker box here. It looks like a fairly recent water heater. And a sink here. Ew, that's gross. There was, somebody kept water there. Is this even hooked up, I wonder? Is there plumbing under here? There is. There's plumbing. It's cheap enough. Boy, it's warm though. And this house does not have central heat or air conditioning. There are no ducts anywhere in this house. Got some ceiling fans, I guess. This is a tiny room. And there's no door on this room either. That's weird. So it looks like there's one bedroom downstairs and that's it. And then we got upstairs. What's up there, Tim?
That's a cute little nook.
So it's another room?
Yeah. This is like an interesting living room.
I think the living room is downstairs. This is an interesting room, actually. It's different.
There's a wasp up here, so watch out.
You see they didn't finish laying this floor. It's not even it's not wood flooring at all. Whew. This house is hot.
There's pliers on the roof.
Yeah. Is there even, yeah, there are electrical outlets up here. There's a few.
Yeah. Satellite internet dish.
Oh, there's a storm shelter out there. Back in the back there.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, we may need to go explore a little bit. Whew. Well, the house is all right. We really need some rails on this. It's all right. It's just, it's a small house, and at least this one looks like something that's livable. You know, it's small. I think my biggest issue with it is there's no central heat and air. There's something back here though, Tim. See this hose? Oh, I know what this was. Someone had one of those portable AC units in here. They had one of those portable AC units, plugs into the wall right here. This is where the air used to go. And this is where it used to plug into. This would have been there's mouse droppings in there. You can definitely see those. Most likely somewhere in there is still the 220 wiring. That's the bathroom door.
Yep. Little barn door.
That's not very private. Yeah, have a look in there. See mouse turds everywhere.
I'm seeing.
They're all the black spots all over are mouse turds.
Ew.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
All right, well, let's I don't want to open that door. This place definitely needs central heat and air. And that's not going to be cheap. Take a look over here, see what we got going on. Oh man, more wasp nest. Yeah, that's what's crazy is someone was definitely working on it and then they just quit and they're gone. This soffit's a little.
Ooh, that's a big frog.
Big frog? Catch him. Get him.
He's right there.
We'll get him. You want to catch him?
He's right under there.
Oh, you don't want to catch him?
No, the metal. He's like.
Oh, he's behind it.
Yeah, he's right behind the metal.
Well, this place is interesting to say the least. I'm assuming this is probably well, septic, and it must be all electric. It looks like we got a little front yard over here. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Comment below. I wonder where the well house is, or the pump house. It should be. So this is the gate to get in and out of the yard. There's a pet door right there though, so your animal could get in and out as they please. So we made our way to the other side of the house. Looks like we got a giant burn pile over here, man. That's a real good sized pile. Put some rocks around it, man. That could actually be really nice. Yeah, you could make that into a real nice fire pit. It needs mowed, obviously. You need to knock. Oh, there's the well house over there. I see the pump house. Lots of frogs. The foundation looks like it's solid. The house looks, I mean, I think the house has got good bones. It really does. It's going to cost several thousands of dollars to get a central heating and air unit installed. But what we got over here? Oh, we got a cactus over here too.
Yummy.
That's fun. Look at all the grasshoppers.
Look at those angry ants you just stepped on.
Ants. Uh-oh.
Big red one.
Yeah. There's a lighter down here. Someone was having themselves a little party down here. This looks like a very nice storm shelter. It looks to be in real good shape. In Oklahoma, you got to have one of these. Got to. This is some nice property.
It is?
It is. It's got nice mature trees out here. It's pretty isolated from just about everything else out here. And 2.5 acres is plenty of room. The house, although it's not ideal, it could work. It could work. It really could. I can do this place on a, I think on a 10-year for $600 a month. What do we got going on over here? Besides we got some random cable. Tell me that's not running to the pump. We definitely got like hornets or wasps. We got some rigged up power wire right here. That's always nice. That's always what you want to see, you know? Oh, there's spiders all over this. All right, we're not gonna mess with that. I guarantee you, this is a long cord that runs all the way over. Hold on, it goes over here. Oh, it just stops. It's for like an RV. Yeah, it's for an RV. Interesting. I thought it ran to the pump house, man. I was gonna say, that is shady. Very shady. So here's the pump house. See what we got going on here. There's absolutely no pressure. Of course, the power is not on, so it makes sense there wouldn't be any water pressure. Well, looks like there's an electrical something over here. Good night. I hope this isn't a sign that the well is no good. What is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, there's some water coming out of it, and it's clear water, so that is a good sign.
Randy,
Yeah,
fire ant hill.
a giant fire ant hill.
Yeah, I see it.
You got to watch out for those, dude. Oh, you're right. Yeah, those things will, they'll mess you up.
I know, it's that red ant, and I'm like,
Look at that.
"Oh, can you hear me?" One.
Look at those. Yeah, need to get away from them. Well, what do you think, Nick? You don't look too sure. You look the way I'm feeling right now. Hey, man, it is what it is. What the heck is that? First thing I want to do is get a ride mower, come out here, just knock everything out here down so I can see where I'm going. That's like priority number one. You can put, for now, since it's so hot out, just get a good size air conditioning unit or 2 of them from Walmart, throw them in there, help keep the house cool. It could work. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's one thing I can say. The house looks like it would work. It looks like, although it's not in the best shape, it looks like it's a doable house. The location isn't too bad. It's, again, about 35 minutes from where I currently reside. I would not be living here. This is a place that I think I'd let my brother stay in, and he could have his own privacy, his own little place, take care of the property for me. and we can work on making the house more suitable for him. Obviously, one of the first things we're going to have to look into is putting some air conditioning units in, and then we're going to see about central heating and air. After that, then we can look into putting a shop up somewhere back here, somewhere straight down this road. I'd like to get a shop set up, at a minimum 2 bays, at least get 1 lift installed. But again, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about a lot of money. I mean, you're talking a lot of money. 60 grand for this place the way it is. The shop, I don't even know. I'm thinking maybe $15,000, $20,000 to get a shop set up. We got to get some kind of pavement in here. You know what I mean? You got to get some kind of, that's not going to be cheap. That's going to be expensive. Everything out here has got to get knocked down. This is a long-term type deal. This isn't something, I don't want to mislead you guys and have you thinking this is something, you know, we buy the house, we're going to have this up and running in 2 weeks. I don't have that kind of money. We're not there yet, but at least I'm preparing for the future. I'm trying to get things set up for the future, and it never hurts to have investment property. Never. And 2.5 acres of land out in the sticks, a decent little country house, you know, this would be a nice little getaway spot too. So comment below, tell me what you guys think of the potential property, and I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to head back to the house, and I'm seriously considering this. And like, when I say seriously, I mean very seriously considering this property. I really am. I really like it. I think this kind of is the best we found so far. It could really work. It really could. So comment below, tell me what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel and click that bell icon. I certainly appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me, Auto Auction Rebuilds, on Instagram. And until next time, folks, stay safe out there. We will catch you very soon in the next one.